Welcome to TechMirror. To upgrade your laundry game. In 2026, washing machines are smarter, faster, and more eco-friendly than ever. From AI-powered cycles that detect fabric types to ultra-efficient compact designs for urban living, we've narrowed down the absolute best models on the market this year. We'll break down the top picks for every budget and household size. You'll find all the links in the description. Number 5. The GE Appliances GFW870SPTDS front-load washer is a standout choice for those seeking high capacity and advanced hygiene in a compact footprint. With a spacious 5 cubic feet of drum space, it easily accommodates large loads, including king-sized comforters. The carbon graphite finish adds a modern aesthetic to any laundry room, while the 32-inch shallow-depth design ensures it fits comfortably into tight alcoves or closets without sacrificing power. One of the most impressive aspects of this machine is the UltraFresh Vent System with Odorblock. This technology eliminates excess moisture to prevent the musty smells often associated with front loaders. Furthermore, microban antimicrobial technology is integrated into the gasket and dispenser, providing continuous protection against mold and bacteria. For those with sensitivities, the Sanitize plus Allergen cycle is a major benefit, as it is designed to kill 99% of common household allergens. Convenience is at the forefront of this model. The Smart Dispense technology allows you to store enough detergent for 32 loads, automatically calculating the precise amount needed for each wash. For particularly dirty laundry, the more water option adds up to 3 gallons of extra water for a deeper rinse. Additionally, the built-in Wi-Fi and power steam features ensure that you can monitor your laundry from your smartphone while achieving a superior level of stain removal. With dynamic balancing technology providing a quiet experience, this ENERGY STAR certified washer is a reliable and innovative investment for any modern home. Number 4. The LG WM4000HBA Ultra Large Capacity Front-load washer is a sophisticated blend of modern aesthetics and high-performance technology. Featuring a 4.5 cubic foot capacity, this machine is designed to handle substantial loads with ease, making it a perfect fit for busy households. The exterior is striking, showcasing a durable tempered glass door accented with elegant rose gold details that elevate the look of any laundry space. Inside, a full stainless steel tub ensures longevity and prevents snagging, maintaining its smooth surface even after years of continuous use. Performance is where this model truly shines, particularly with the inclusion of TurboWash 360 technology. This feature allows users to power through large loads in under 30 minutes without compromising cleaning quality. Furthermore, the integrated artificial intelligence removes the guesswork from laundry day. Built-in sensors detect the weight and fabric texture of each load to automatically select the optimal wash patterns. This advanced fabric care is complemented by the Allergen cycle, which uses the power of steam to remove over 95% of common household allergens like pet dander and dust mites. The smart features are equally impressive through the ThinQ application. With smart pairing, the washer communicates directly with a compatible dryer to select the perfect drying cycle automatically. Additionally, the True Balance anti-vibration system ensures the machine remains quiet and stable during high-speed spins. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty on the direct drive motor, this energy-efficient washer offers reliability and innovation in one package. Number 3. The GE Profile PFW870SPRS Smart front-load washer is a premier appliance that combines a massive 5.3 cubic foot capacity with cutting-edge sanitation technology. This model is specifically designed to address the common issue of moisture buildup through the UltraFresh Vent System Plus. Unlike standard ventilation, this enhanced version utilizes a specialized sensor to detect and eliminate excess humidity, ensuring the drum remains dry and free from unpleasant odors. This freshness is further supported by microban antimicrobial technology integrated into the gasket and draining system, providing a continuous layer of protection against mold and bacteria. For those seeking convenience, the Smart Dispense technology is a significant advantage. The intelligent reservoir holds enough detergent for 32 loads and automatically calculates the precise amount needed based on the weight of the laundry and the type of fabric being washed. This ensures optimal cleaning while preventing detergent waste. Users can also connect the machine to the Smart HQ application to receive remote notifications, download specialized cycles, and ensure the appliance stays updated with the latest software features. Stain removal is handled efficiently by the Power Steam feature, which penetrates deep into fibers to loosen tough grime. Additionally, the Sanitize plus Allergen cycle is an industry leader, killing 99% of common bacteria and allergens. This ENERGY STAR certified washer also features dynamic balancing technology to ensure a quiet operation even during high-speed spins. With its reversible door and eco-friendly design, this GE Profile model is an exceptional investment for large households. Number 2. The GE Profile PFW950SPTDS is a flagship appliance that redefines laundry convenience with its massive 5.3 cubic foot capacity and sophisticated smart capabilities. This high-efficiency front-load washer is finished in a striking silver and black aesthetic, offering a bold look for any modern utility room. A primary innovation of this model is the UltraFresh Vent System Plus, which utilizes an integrated sensor to identify and remove moisture, effectively preventing the growth of odors. This is complemented by microban antimicrobial technology built directly into the gasket and draining system to ensure a hygienic environment for every load. One of the most impressive features is the adaptive smart dispense system. This technology allows the washer to hold enough detergent for up to 32 cycles, and users can even scan detergent barcodes through the Smart HQ application to ensure the precise amount is used for specific brands. For those who need a quick turnaround, the one-step wash and dry feature allows for cleaning and drying a small load within the washer itself, eliminating the need to transfer wet clothes to a separate machine. The intelligence of this machine extends to its adaptive My Settings feature, which learns your unique preferences over time to personalize cycle selections. Furthermore, the Sanitize Plus allergen cycle is designed to kill 99% of common bacteria and dust mites. With dynamic balancing technology for quiet operation and ENERGY STAR certification for efficiency, the GE Profile PFW950SPTDS offers a comprehensive and flawless solution for the modern household. Number 1. The GE Profile PFW970SPTDS UltraFast Smart All-in-One Combo is a revolutionary appliance that completely transforms the traditional laundry routine. This innovative unit combines a 4.8 cubic foot washer and an electric dryer into a single machine, allowing users to wash and dry a large load in approximately 2 hours without the need to transfer wet clothes. Because it operates on a standard 120-volt outlet and requires no external venting, it offers incredible installation flexibility for closets, kitchens, or small apartments. The standout feature of this combo is the high-speed recirculated air drying system. Unlike traditional dryers that rely on high heat, this ventless heat pump technology gently dries fabrics and is 50% more energy efficient. While clothes may not feel hot immediately upon removal, a quick shake reveals they are perfectly dry. For maintenance, the Easy Access Lint filter system makes it simple to remove microparticles, ensuring the machine maintains peak performance levels. Hygiene and convenience are also prioritized through microban antimicrobial technology on the gasket and dispenser, which prevents unpleasant odors from developing. The adaptive smart dispense system holds enough detergent for 32 loads and can be calibrated by scanning product barcodes through the Smart HQ application. Additionally, with GE Profile Connect Plus, the machine receives continuous software updates to ensure you always have access to the latest specialty cycles. This ENERGY STAR certified unit is the ultimate space-saving solution for those who value efficiency and modern technology. That wraps up our countdown of the best washing machines for 2026. Whether you prioritize AI technology, massive capacity, or the convenience of an all-in-one combo, there is a perfect model on this list for your home. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest pricing and availability. If this guide helped you, please like and subscribe for more appliance reviews. Thanks for watching.